Alright, everybody, that's right. I'm in here again. Yeah, I'm just moving in because this is where all the good stuff is, and you know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in. Super important that we share. YouTube is asking us for 1,000 views for the videos, so ask your friends to share as well. Just pass it around, snowball it. Truly appreciate and love you for it. Also allow it to play all the way to the end, including those ads, even if you have to cut down the sound. And leave a comment. Let me know how much you like these deals. Alright. Glad we got quickly through that, because this is what we're going to get today.
Yeah.
We are buying 4 chips. We're buying 2 and we're getting 2 for free. Okay, that's a sale. Nothing special about that. No coupons involved. Now, I had to wait to do this deal because they were out of the Lipton tea. And I know they got some more. So we're going to go get some. Okay, we're going to pick up 3 of these Lipton iced teas. I like the peach. So I'm going to pick up 3 of these. They're buy 2, get 1 free. These are buy 2, get 2 free. Okay. Now we also have a $3 coupon for the Lipton. That's a store coupon. Okay, I'm pretty sure it is. I'll scan it, but I'm pretty sure it's a store coupon. And if it is, in order for us to do a 5 off 25 scenario, we've got to go a little over. Like I said, this week is all about scenarios, okay? And I've had requests for food. Oop. I've had requests for food deals, okay? And snack food's not actually food, but it's food that if you can get it cheap enough, you can roll those savings over to the real deal stuff. So, let's get to some math on this deal right here. Look, guys are already resituating the summer stuff. Yep, they're already resituating the seasonal stuff over here. So, it'll soon be time for that seasonal sale already. Yeah, believe it or not. Okay, now, the original deal was for 3 of these and 4 bags of Lay's potato chips. Okay, now, I don't need 4 bags of potato chips. Just saying. So I need more of a low out of pocket. But if you need the potato chips and this, because you got kiddos or you're doing a celebration, whatever the reason may be, then pick up the 4 bags of chips, the 2, you know, buy 2, get 2 free. And in your teas. Okay, your out of pocket's gonna be like $14. If it's that, let's see, you'll be getting $7 off of a $25. Oh, excuse me. You'll be getting $12 off a $25 purchase. Okay, so like $13 out of pocket for those 4 bags of chips and all these teas. Now here, I'm about to see how much my out of pocket is going to be with these 3 and 1 bag of chips. Now if you do it with just the 3 teas and the 1 bag of chips, you're looking at $7 and change. Okay, that's a phenomenal deal. That's like buying 1 of these and getting everything else for free. Okay, so that's a phenomenal deal right there. Okay, and I'm telling you this like this for a reason. If you got multiple accounts, you want to do 2 of those. You will end up with 2 bags of chips and 2 or 6 of these for $15. Less than 15, well, right at $15. Okay, so winner winner chicken dinner. Or you can do this deal in the 4 bags of chips, and it's $11 out of pocket. It's a $4 difference to add the other 3 bags of chips. Now, either way it goes, they're both phenomenal deals, but as I said, if you have, like I said, it's $11 for 1 chip and 3 of these. If you have 2 accounts and you have these available coupons on both accounts, you can get 6 of these and 2 bags of chips for $15. So for a $4 difference, instead of just getting the 4 bags of chips, you can get 3 more of these. Yes, that's a winner chicken dinner deal. Yes, it is. Alright, guys, and I have lots of 5 off 25s. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do this deal like this. And then I'm going to go home and look and see if I have those coupons on any other account. And if I do, I'm going to do another one. Because that's the better deal. Okay, I may not be getting 2 chips for free. Well, in a way I am. Okay, but I'm getting twice, of this stuff right here. And this is more in value than this. Okay, so yeah, both deals are good, depending on what your needs are and depending on what you want to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, pay for this, meet you in the car. Oh, my friends, okay, we're gonna have to talk about this one. I ended up with 4 bags of chips because we were trying various things. Because in the app, 1 bag of chips and the 3 teas was giving you your 5 off 25. So we tried that one at the register, and that didn't work. And when we did the math in our heads, it was like a $2 difference if I added the 4 chips. Okay? Instead of the 1 chip. Or added, made it the buy 2 get 2 free. So I went and got 3 more chips and ended up with the buy 2 get 2 free and the 3 Lipton teas. Now, this was our stupid thinking. And when I say our, it was me and the cashier. We were putting our heads together here after we thought we had found a glitch. But this is glitching, just so you know, because you've got 2 store coupons stacking on top of each other. And because this is 2 store coupons stacking on top of each other, you've got to go $7 over, okay, the $25 mark, because it is 2 store coupons stacking on each other. And that's the reason why I didn't get my $5 extra off this transaction, because we didn't add any more items. I should have added something else for $5. So, let's have a look. I got the 4 bags of Lay's and the 3 Lipton teas. I got $7.50 off for getting one of those 12 packs of teas for free. And then I got, where is it at? $7.90. That is your 2 free chips. And then I got the $4 off store coupon for buying Lay's and Pepsi product. And then I got my $3 off coupon for buying the Lipton tea products. Both of those were store coupons. Okay. Now my out-of-pocket was $16 even, guys. Alrighty. And we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items at $16. So $2 and change an item, it looks like, okay, on these things. Still a really good deal. However, if you want to do this using that 5 off 25, you have to go $7 over. If not, just go for it with it as it is, as you see it here, it's still a really good savings. Or do the double deal like we talked about. The 1 bag of chips and the 3 teas. Do it twice if you have more than one account with those coupons. And that way you are more than stocked with tea products. Because you know the chips are going to come back around. It may be a while before we get some more of this tea products like this. So there you go, guys. Blessings. And I'll talk to you again real soon with more big savings. Because you know you want to know.